Hello to all my friends out there. So I pretty much have to eat as many eggs as I possibly can. So what I made, I wanted to make some skillet cornbread because that was a very good demonstration. So what I have is this package. I bought this at Dollar Tree. I really like this one. I'm going to buy some more of these. So I measured 1 cup. I added 1 egg and then just enough milk to get them, so that I could drop them in some hot oil. And but I wanted to mention, when you're making you're making these biscuits in the skillet, you cannot have you need the oil hot enough to cook them, but you can't have it too hot on cornbread or it's going to burn on the bottom. So why this is important is because, biscuits are really good for if you, God forbid, start running out of bread. But another thing is, like, okay, tonight I need to eat my eggs up, and I have some bacon that I bought at 99 cents only, and I had milk. I always have milk in the stockpile. So okay, now what I want to do is just cover my cornbread, and then I have to keep an eye on the cornbread to make sure that the oil isn't too hot, and then I'll drain my cornbread on some paper towels, and these will be some really easy. You don't have to heat the house. I guess it was yesterday when we had the 3 fires, and so then I just want to keep an eye on them, and they don't take too long. And so it's really hot here, so you don't want to be turning the oven on, but you might want some biscuits and eggs, or some biscuits and cornbread, or some cornbread and chili. I have a good recipe. I'm gonna make it one of these nights. It's macaroni and cheese. You just make the macaroni and cheese and add chili. And so my cornbread will be done in a few minutes, and God bless you all.